Welcome to CAD with Mr. Yu, your favorite math channel. In today's video, we're looking at how to divide a given line into a ratio 1, 2, 3. So we'll be starting the video now. So we'll be dividing a given line CD into the ratio 1, 2, 3. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to draw the horizontal line CD using our pencil and our T-square. Then we're going to label the line CD. Then we're going to draw a line at an angle from C going south. This line can be any length and any angle. So this is the ratio 1 colon 2 colon 3. So that is the ratio that we're dividing the line CD into. So we're going to take our compass and we're going to open it to any convenient radius, and we're going to use the same radius to mark off the ratio. So the ratio was 1, 2, 3. That's 6 parts. So we label the arcs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we're going to use a ruler or a set square to join from 6 to B using a pencil. Then we're going to get two set squares. But before that, we're going to circle the ratio. So it is 1, then 2, then 3. What you're going to do, you're going to get a set square and you're going to align it to the line 6D. Then I'm going to move my T-square out of the way. You're going to put the taller set square under the first set square, and you would slide the first set square along the second set square. But I'm going to use my T-square as a guideline so that I slide the first set square on the T-square. So I draw 3 with my pencil after I slide it. Then I slide it on the T-square using the T-square as a straight edge to point 1. Then I use my pencil to draw the line. So this is a line CD divided in the ratio 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to indicate the ratio at the top for you. 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 units. All right? Good. Now the next thing we're going to do now, having completed the division of the line CD into the ratio 1, 2, 3, we're going to label the drawing so that we can finish our drawing. So we're going to use our pencil. We just drew our guidelines a while ago. So we're going to label 2, divide a line into the given ratio one colon 2 colon 3. We have come to the end of today's video. In today's video, we looked at how to divide a given line into the ratio 1, 2, 3. In the next video, we'll be looking at centroids. How do you find the centroid for a given triangle? Please take care until then, and at CAD with Mr. Yu, we aim to become your favorite math channel. Bye.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.